The Getting Started window tutorial. In this lesson, we explore the features of the Getting Started window in Dramatica Story Expert. We will show you how to create new projects from scratch, how to create new projects using sample story structure templates, how to open example files and reopen recent projects. Start Dramatica Story Expert. The Getting Started window shows up whenever you do not have a document open in Dramatica Story Expert, such as when you first open Dramatica Story Expert. If the window is not open, select the File, Getting Started menu command. On the left half of the Getting Started window are 5 actions you can take. New Project opens a new project document and is the same thing as using the File, New Document menu command. The Structure Templates option lets you create new projects using pre-made generic story templates. Clicking on the Structure Templates brings up an open document window. Open the Structure Templates folder and you will find 3 ready-to-go story structure templates, one for novels, one for screenplays, and one for short stories. Each of the structure templates populates your story with 8 character archetypes, as well as providing the beginnings of a chapter, scene, or step outline. Hit Escape or click on Cancel to return to the Getting Started window. Clicking on the What's New in Dramatica Story Expert option opens your browser to the Dramatica Story Expert What's New page, where information about the features new to Dramatica Story Expert 5 are described. Quit or hide your browser to go back to the Getting Started window. Clicking on the New User of Dramatica Story Expert option opens Dramatica Story Expert's help file using your browser. The searchable help is indexed and contains the user's manual as well as the text of the Dramatica Theory book. Quit or hide your browser to go back to the Getting Started window. Clicking on the Tutorial Videos option brings you to the LearnDramaticaStoryExpert.com site in your browser, which is where you probably are right now watching this video. Quit or hide your browser to go back to the Getting Started window. On the right side of the Getting Started window, you will see the most recent projects you have opened, if any. On the bottom of the Getting Started window are a few more options. Clicking on the Open Project button brings you up in your Documents folder where you can choose any DR5 or DSF Dramatica document you have. This is the same thing as using the File Open menu command. Hit Escape or click Cancel to return to the Getting Started window. Clicking on the Open Example button brings you to an Open Document window in your Examples folder where you can choose any one of the 68 example files shipped with Dramatica Story Expert. This is the same thing as using the File Open Example Story menu command. Hit Escape or click Cancel to return to the Getting Started window. The last remaining option to explore is the On Launch pop-up list. Click on the pop-up list to display the 3 choices available. Always Show this window forces Dramatica Story Expert to open the Getting Started window every time the application is launched. Open Last Document automatically opens the last open document when you launch the application. Create New Document automatically creates a new blank project document each time you launch the application. Let's leave this option at Always Show this window for the time being. Click on the New Project option to open a new blank document. This brings us to the Project Overview window, which is where we want to be for the next tutorial, Navigation Basics. This ends the Getting Started window tutorial.